In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with formulas in Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can see where to find the formula tools, how to use the built-in help, and how to apply a function like concatenate to your board. Start by opening the relevant project board in your Monday.com account. Make sure you're on the board where you actually want to add or edit a formula column. Once you're on that board, look toward the top of the screen where your column headers and view options appear. You'll see various icons and menu items there. Click on the highlighted option that opens the formula tools for this board. When that panel opens, you'll see a few different sections. Click on the next highlighted area to expand the additional options, and then select the item that's currently labeled as loading. This is usually Monday.com fetching the most recent resources or documentation related to formulas. Give it a moment if it needs a second to finish loading. Once it's ready, click on the highlighted section again to open the Resources menu, and then choose the option called Resources. This is where Monday.com centralizes help content for formulas. Inside Resources, you'll see different categories. Click on Functions and Constants. This is a really useful reference if you're not sure which function to use or how to structure it. From that list of functions, scroll until you find Concatenate and click on it. Concatenate is a function that lets you join text from different columns or values into a single string. After selecting it, click on the version that shows concatenate with parentheses. That version indicates the function is ready for you to add arguments. If you see a suggestion that automatically inserts the closing parenthesis, go ahead and click on that as well so the full function shell is added for you. Next, look for the AI Assistant button within this panel and click on it. This opens Monday.com's Formula Builder Assistant, which helps you construct a formula step by step. When the Formula Builder appears, click on Formula Builder again to fully expand it if needed. Inside the builder, choose Concatenate with parentheses once more so it's inserted into the formula field. Now you can customize it by selecting the columns or text you want to join together. When you're happy with the formula, finish by clicking Set Formula. Monday.com will apply it to the column, and you'll immediately see the results across your items.